Entry number 8, La Consolacion College of Baal Incorporated, formerly Santa Monica Academy, San Ramon, Baal, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 8, La Consolacion College of Baal Incorporated, San Ramon, Baal, Camarines Sur.
Next entry number 9, Baal National High School, Santa Cruz, Baal, Camarines Sur. School Head, Dr. Irma Istoro. Corps Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Micaela Fernandez, First Class. Corps S1, Cadet Major Jomar Buenavente, First Class. Corps S2, Cadet Major Micaela Mercado, First Class. Corps S3, Cadet Major Nick Mendoza. Corps S4, Cadet Major Francis